With Würth, it's easy to integrate our asset intelligence solution into your existing asset management and inventory system. Our asset tags and bridges fit right in with your existing operating software and equipment. Welcome to the future of asset intelligence. Let's see how it works. Anything that's important to you that moves into, out of, or around your facility, campus, or job site can be traced using our solution that outfits each asset with its own trackable tag. When that item's location changes, asset bridges detect the tag movement and trigger any number of fully customizable rules in our dedicated asset management system. For a Würth Kanban bin, its placement in the empty bin area triggers our team to prepare a new bin for delivery to you. As that bin leaves the Würth warehouse, its tag is detected again, and you receive a shipping notification. Along the journey, the bin will transmit local data, ensuring near real-time visibility, and you'll get a notification once it's arrived safely back in its place. With our solution, you maintain constant and full visibility over your inventory. And this is but one example. Do tools keep wandering off your construction site? Let's tag them. Now your site superintendent can know when an item drifts away and even who forgot to return it. Imagine the possibilities across industries. Würth's intelligent asset tracking ensures precision, automation, and reliability with endless customization, powering a smarter, more connected supply chain.